हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। ए वीडियो रे हमें जानिबा जेटी एवं जेटीसी मान को एक्स ग्रासिया ग्रांट मिलिबो जदि सेमानकर डेथ होइथा ड्यूरिंग सर्विस पीरियड तेबे एही एक्स ग्रासिया पेमेंट पाई परिबे। तेबे देखंतु दिस इज द लेटर फ्रॉम स्कूल एंड मास एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 3674 dated 17 February 21 notification subject guidelines for payment of ex gratia grant towards death of the JT and JTC during service period from the year 2006. Shiksha Sayak have been engaged in the elementary school for universalization of elementary education in the state under the central sponsor project Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Subsequently, the Shiksha Sayak have been redesigned as JTC. As per the career advancements policy of the JTC, they will be eligible to become JT with enhancement of the remunerations after successful completion of 3 years of continuous and satisfactory service. The post of the JTC and JT are contractual in nature. They are paid being fixed remuneration under a central sponsor plan, that is Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Being the contractual employees, they are not eligible for any financial assistance in case of their death or permanent incapacitations during these periods. तेबे एसएस को रीडिजाइन करा जायछि ताहा जेटीसी एवं जेटीसी आकार 3 इयर्स एवं आफ्टर 3 इयर्स ताकू जेटी कहा जिवो। तेबे तांकू फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस मिलु नथिला इन केस ऑफ देयर डेथ और इन केस ऑफ इनकैपेसिटेशंस। तेणु एटा अनाउंस करा जायछि एक्स ग्रासिया पेमेंट। देयरफॉर टेकिंग into consideration the prayer of such contractual employees, government in this department vite in its resolutions number 7427/SME dated 5 April 2018, I have decided to extend the benefit of ex gratia in the shape of financial assistance amount to 2 lakhs in case of death and 1.5 lakhs in case of permanent incapacity to the JTC and JT during the period of their service in the said scheme as a token of social security, subject to condition that he or she has not received any ex gratia towards death or incapacitation under the provision of EPF Act and schemes framed thereunder. The scheme will be called as payment of ex gratia grant for junior teachers C and JT working in the elementary school of the state. The scheme will be applicable to all JTC and JT working in the elementary school of the state, including ST and SC development department. The scheme will come into effect from 5th April 2018. In case of death or permanent incapacitations of the JTC and JT, the amount of permissible ex gratia and the document to be submitted are as under. A reason for section of ex gratia: death, amount permissible 2 lakhs, document required to be furnished, application of the spouse, parents, next kin as per the legal hair certificate, 2 copy of death certificate, copy of legal hair certificate, then permanent incapacitations 1.5 lakhs, application of the employee concerned, 2 copy of certificate of CDMO. Then mode of sections and payment. In case of the death of JTC or JT, the application in the prescribed format as at Annexure A shall have to be submitted by the spouse, parents and next kin of the deceased teachers with the above mentioned documents for release of ex gratia. In case of permanent incapacitations of the JTC and JT, the application in the prescribed format Annexure A shall have to be submitted by the teacher concerned before the DPC SSA concerned for release of such ex gratia. The DPC SSA of the concerned district shall verify the genius of the application and forward the same to the concerned RU along with the required document for examination and recommendations. The due concern after receipt of the proposal will submit the said proposal to the Director Elementary Education, who will make necessary scrutiny of the proposal and request the Director Secondary Education for section of the said ex gratia in favor of the spouse, parent, legal heir of the teacher concerned or teacher in case of death or permanent incapacitation respectively. The Director Secondary Education shall sanction the same and draw the amount and credit the amount in the account of the pay. Source of the fund. The expenditure under this scheme shall be made out of the availability grant or SME department in that particular year under the head of account demand number 10/2002 General Education Program Expenditure State Sector Scheme District Sector 02 Secondary Education 800 Other Expenditure 2792 Ex gratia and compensation 29014 Payment of Ex gratia and compensations. This will come into effect with effect from 5 April 2018. तबे Annexure 1 टी देखि नबा. This is the application form to the DPCSSA through BO. Name of the JTC, address of the applicant, name of the school in which the teacher was working, year of engagement, date of death, incapacitations, reason of death or incapacitations, date of issue of the death certificate or the certificate issued by the CDMO, name of the applicant if other than the teacher, relationship with the deceased teacher, details of the bank account in the name of the applicant, signature of the applicant, recommended signature of the DO. This is the ex gratia payment to JT and JTC, जेउटा कि 2 लाख एवं 1.5 लाख मिलिबो एवं ता इफेक्ट हो 5 तारीख एप्रिल मास 2018 रु. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.